Today is Tuesday, April 21st. I am actually on a layover in Nashville, and where they put us is right in the middle of downtown Nashville. It is an amazing location. The hotel is pretty cool too. It has a very unique and trendy design, and I'm just excited to be here. It's the early evening, so I actually have time to get out and walk around even though everything's closed. I just wanted to see things and do a little bit of vlogging. I know that we're right down the street from the Batman building. I don't know much else about it other than the fact that it's called the Batman building, but I'm excited to be here. I was advised by my dad to not go around looking for Kenny Rogers because he's gone, so thank you, Dad, for that advice. But when I got into the room, before I got all my stuff out and messed up the room, I did a quick little tour of it, so I will show that now. But I just wanted to get on here and say hey, and say that I am in downtown Nashville and wanted to show you guys a little bit of the layover. So I hope you enjoy. Bye. So at first I thought this was a man's leg, but I think it's just two tan pillows. But there is a cute little dog in the apartment across the street. I love it. And there's a woman mopping her floor. Man, I always thought I wanted to live downtown, but you really can see in all the windows, can't you? I do as a rule, but I really need to make sure that I close my blinds tonight.
She's calling me, like the rainbow. She's calling me, like the rainbow, the rainbow.
me on a bed of roses.
Yeah, I like it. You are talented. Alrighty, have a good night. Bye. See you later.
You got the best shot of it.
I know, it's gonna make millions one day. So much money. This is probably why my mom and dad say I shouldn't go out alone. Sorry guys. So that is pretty much it. This is downtown Nashville. We are right off of Printer's Alley, which I don't know much about other than it's a pretty well-known spot. As you can see, there were lots of like shops and dining and stuff, but now I am waiting on pizza. They advertise pizza by the slice, but I got a small pizza and I got pepperoni, onions, and fresh garlic on it, so I am very excited. But anyway, I love downtown layovers. I love downtown. Sir, I can't talk now because I can't talk over that. But I love downtown buildings and the architecture to it. I think they're all so beautiful. I love the beeping horns that you hear as you walk through the city. I just think that they're always such fun layovers. So I have really enjoyed this layover. What a random layover too. I wasn't expecting to get out and go see everything. And then when I saw we were downtown, I thought, why not? So. Okay guys, I think the best way to end a vlog is by showing you my yummy pizza. Yum! Look at that. I would like to say that I will not eat this whole thing and save some for tomorrow, but I can't promise.
Tell me where in the world is
Serving San Diego.
Tell me where can the weather Oh, tell me where can she be? From Swansea to Thailand, Philadelphia, Amsterdam, Mali, to Bali, Ohio.